Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. In this episode, we're going to go on a scouting mission to Aliso Beach. I'm going to walk to the Montage and back there. We'll also be selecting last week's winner of the Would You Dig It contest giveaway. And at the end of this video, I also have 2 more giveaways, so you'll want to stay tuned for that, guys. So let's get started. Well, I hope my lens is clean. I'm getting mist off of here. Let me get this clean. So guys, we are back to metal detecting the beach today. I am going to walk over to the Montage Target right here. 19 to 16. Maybe a bottle cap. I think so. Yep. Well, the sun's out over here. It's nice. Maybe a pool tab. Yep. This is all new sand right over here. Like, I would say it's probably 8 feet high from the last time I was here. So, huge amount of sand deposited. You got a target right here. Looks like a honey.
Whoa! I snowboarded down.
Got a target right here. Ooh, looks like another dime. I am right in front of the Montage area. I'm getting ready to get down and get a little wet. I walk the dry sand over here with hardly anything. There's a target right here. 25. No. Oh, see it. It's another dime. Okay. Alright, I walked into this little area back here and I started getting chirps everywhere. So let's get this one. I think one of them was a bottle cap. I see it right there. Okay. I think I got it. There's a penny. Okay. It might be another penny. Oh my goodness. I think I got something. And what is that? Another penny. Okay. I got dimes and pennies so far. Did I get a quarter? I think I got a... I think that's going to be a dime. I think what it is somebody was sitting back here and lost their change. Maybe another dime. Got it. Oh, it's a copper penny. All right. That's a 20. And there we go. There's another penny. All right. I think might wrap it up. Got that Mike's Hard Lemonade. Okay. Get up in here. Got a Target right here. Out already? I think. What is that? Nickel? It's a ring. It's a ring. A broken ring, I think. Yeah. Maybe, I don't know, what was that ringing up? I think it was 16. There might be a stamp on there. This does not look like, it's heavy. That's not white gold. No way. Maybe though. Huh. I don't know, guys. I would say silver would normally ring up like that, but if it's broken, it may not, right? I don't know. But look where I'm at. My favorite house. One of them. They have a big party going on over there, and almost every dude is wearing a gold chain. just to let you know. I noticed those things. It's like, and they are getting wasted. Guy was over here puking just a little bit ago. Looks like their seawall collapsed. Look at that. Undermining the whole foundation. See that? That totally lost their wall. Oh, how about a pair of sunglasses just sitting over here? Didn't even need to detect them. Just sitting over here. What else did they leave? Okay. Even got a rope because they are not sunglasses, they are prescription glasses. So I'm gonna set them right back there. Maybe person will remind where they, or remember where they found them. But yeah, look at that. Totally undermined it. That's what happens when you live by the beach, right? Got a really deep target here. Alright, so let's just start shoveling. And it's all grunts now. That's what I thought. No, it's a quarter. There we go. There's a quarter. I really need a nickel and I got the cycle. Alright. I'm back at Aliso Creek Beach. The target right here. Okay guys, I pretty much did this beach all the way to the Montage and back. It wasn't very good, even though I didn't do too bad. I mean, I think I got a ring. And okay guys, here's the wrap up. Hey, it was a fun over there at Aliso Creek. I always enjoy going over there. Always enjoy walking over to the Montage and checking out the homes. I really love that one home that's new and built on stilts. It's just beautiful. Anyways guys, didn't dig too much trash. Got a few bottle caps, a few pool tabs, random garbage off the beach, right? I got 5 pennies, 3 dimes, and a quarter. I miss hitting the cycle by a nickel. That's okay. I got a ring. Now guys, that's not a stamp mark, that's just debris. I don't know what it is, right? It is broken. It is completely separated. I haven't tested the metal yet, so we'll have to test the metal. I'm leaning towards silver. I do believe it's a silver ring. Okay guys, let's select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It contest giveaway. Okay guys, I'm in Park 1. Alright, I got a target right here. Let me go 90 degrees. Would you dig it? I know you dig it. We're all digging that, right? Comment below on what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card. Okay guys, let's dig this one on up. Alright. It's also one I planted. Where'd it go? Okay. I went to my other test hole. I really need my pinpointer out for this one. Okay, Jim. Ah, over here. Jeez. There it is. It is a bottle cap. Okay, guys. So, guys, nobody selected bottle cap or screw cap or aluminum cap. None of that was selected. So, you know what that means? We have a carryover, guys. The skin carries over till next week, guys. So that means we have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway carryover. So next week's going to be for a $50 Amazon gift card. So guys, check this one out. And don't forget, after this, I have another giveaway. I think you guys can see that, right? Okay, I'm in Park 1. Would you dig it? I'm gonna go 90 degrees. I'm gonna go to all metal. Back 90 degrees. Would you dig it? If you would dig it, comment below on what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $50 Amazon gift card. Let's hit this one more time, guys. 90 degrees. All right, let's dig this one up. So guys, would you dig it? I dug it. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below on what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $50 Amazon gift card that we'll select in next week's Tutorial Tuesday. And guys, I have another giveaway. So guys, CKG reached out to me and said, Jim, we would like to give one of your viewers one of our carbon fiber 2-piece travel shafts for our beach scoops. I said, my viewers would love that. Guys, if you would love that, all you need to do, if you would like to win one 2-piece travel shaft for your beach scoop from CKG, they're going to ship it to you directly. But all you need to do is comment. A total separate comment from the Would You Dig It, guys. This needs to be a whole new comment. All you need to put is I love CKG. And that puts you in for a drawing. Next Tutorial Tuesday, we will select the winner of the CKG 2-piece travel shaft for your beach scoop. Okay? So if you like that, all you need to do on a total separate comment is just say, I love CKG. And that's all you need to do to enter to win that 2-piece travel shaft, guys. So, if you like my videos, please click like. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And please take a look at either one of these videos.